In this video, we will talk about how to fix no sound in Windows 11. Method 1. Check volume and mute. Click on speaker icon. Make sure mute is turned off. Increase the volume slider and check if it works. Method 2. Select the correct output device. Right-click on speaker icon. Click Sound Settings. Under Output, select the correct device. Method 3. Troubleshoot. Click on Start. Open Settings. Select System. Scroll down. Select Troubleshoot. Then click on Other Troubleshooters. In Audio, click on Run. Once you have this screen, click on Yes to troubleshoot. Method 4. Reinstall driver. Right-click on Start. Select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device. Select Uninstall Device and click on Uninstall. Then click on Start and restart your computer. Method 5. Audio Services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. In here, search for Windows Audio. Right-click and select Restart. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.